Hello friends, welcome to Conceptify. In today's video, we will learn about zeros of a polynomial and how they are related to the coefficients. This is one of the most important concepts in class 10 polynomial. So, let's begin. What are zeros of a polynomial? What are zeros of a polynomial? A zero of a polynomial is a value of x for which the polynomial becomes 0. For example, we take any polynomial 2x plus 3 and p minus 3 by 2 equals to 0. Then if we put x minus 3 by 2, 2 into minus 3 by 2 plus 3, then it will be 0. Then minus 3 by 2 is a 0 of polynomial, is a 0 of polynomial. 0 of polynomial. So what is the 0 of polynomial? A 0 of a polynomial is a value of x for which the polynomial becomes 0. Now, number of zeros. Number of zeros. Number of zeros. For a polynomial of degree n, there can be most n zeros. For a polynomial of degree n, there can be n zeros. For example, if the polynomial is linear, then 1 0. If it is quadratic, then 2 0. 2 zeros. If it is cubic, then 3 zeros. Linear ax plus b. Here, what is the degree of x? 1. So, therefore, 1 0. Quadratic ax square plus bx plus c in 2 zeros. And if we take example of cubic, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, then it will have 3 zeros. So this is number of zeros. Now relationship between zeros and coefficients. Relationship between zeros and coefficients. Zeros and coefficients. So what does this mean? Relationship between zeros and coefficients. We know that zeros of a polynomial are values of x that makes polynomial equal to 0. Px equals to x square minus 5x plus 6. Then its zeros are 2 and 3. Then P2 and P3 will be 0. So what will be its zeros? 2 and 3. So there are formulas for finding the sum and product of the zeros. So how do we find sum of zeros and product of zeros? For a quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c, if alpha and beta are zeros, then sum of zeros alpha plus beta will be minus b by a, and product of zeros alpha into beta will be equals to c by a. This means that the coefficients of a polynomial tells everything about the zeros, sum and product. Now let us see the example. We have a polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6. If we compare this with general equation, then a is 1, b is minus 5 and c is 6. So what will be the sum? Sum is minus b by a, so it will be minus 5 by 1, and product c by a, that is 6 by 1, which is 6. So what will be the zeros? This is sum. Here alpha plus beta is equals to 5 and alpha into beta equals to 6. So from here we can find then that alpha will be equal to 2 and beta will be equals to 3. Now we can try one another example, 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Then here a will be 2, b will be 7 and c will be 3. So what will be the sum? Sum will be minus b by a, that is minus 7 by 2, and product c by a, that is 3 by 2. Now for cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial degree will be 3. So what will be a general polynomial? Px equals to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So if alpha, beta and gamma are zeros, alpha, beta और gamma क्या होंगे? इसके zeros होंगे. Then the relationships will be, first sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta plus gamma, it will be minus b by a. Then sum of product of zeros, sum of product of zero taken two at a time will be alpha beta plus beta alpha, plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. It will be c by a. And product of zeros alpha beta gamma is minus d by a. Now let us take one example. Let us try an example. We have px equals to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 11x plus 6. Here a is equals to 2, b equals to minus 3, c equals to minus 11, and d is 6. So what will be the sum of zeros? Sum of zeros minus b by a will be 3 by 2. Sum of product of zeros, sum of product of zeros taken 2 at a time, it will be c by a, that is minus 11 upon a. And last, product of zeros will be minus d by a, that is minus 6 by 2, and that is minus 3. So this was the relationship between zeros and its coefficients. In the next video, we will learn the division algorithm for polynomials. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Conceptify, and share it with your friends. See you in the next class.